I am Genesis Mercado, and we will unbox this Fujihama vacuum cleaner that I bought from Lazada. The price is 1,789.
Even playing got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9.
Okay, so this is the item. Fujihama vacuum cleaner 3-in-1. Okay. So this one, the hose, and the vacuum. Okay. So this is the item. 220 volts, 1,200 watts, 12 liters. Okay. So this is the manual. It is a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, BJ1623, Fujihama. Okay. This one and the wheels. So we need to place the wheels here. You will just push the wheel on the vacuum can. This one here. And lastly, this one. Okay. We will just connect the tubes. So plug it here and plug, then twist to lock the tube. Okay, so we will try it. Okay. It has a very powerful suction. See? And here are the coins. This is not a sponsored post, but I am recommending this product. For the price of 1,789, you can have a very powerful wet and dry vacuum. I hope to see you on my next video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and see you in my next video. Follow me on my social media pages, Dr. Genesis Mercado on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. I also have a website, www.drgenesismercado.com. See you in my next video. Thank you very much.
Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be